baby Oyoyondo Kenya. Welcome back to my kitchen. On today's episode, I'll be making a one pot chicken, which is going to be cilantro garlic lemon chicken. Let's get to it and see how Oyoyondo can make this amazingly delicious chicken. So guys, let's take all these beautiful flavorful ingredients to make one powerful delicious cilantro garlic lemon chicken, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box. Don't forget to click to find out. So right now I'm picking out the cilantro leaves to give it a nice tiny cut. When I'm done, remember the flavor is cilantro lemon garlic chicken. And also you can use some chicken breast if you don't want to use the chicken thighs, but I prefer chicken thighs because of the boning. It kind of helps retain the moisture and makes it very delicious. All right, so I kind of picked a little because I have some homemade cilantro with garlic mix, which I'm going to add these few ones into. So make sure you cut very thin. It needs to really be very, very thin. So I will try to get that as much as I can. So we are done cutting. This is the homemade cilantro and garlic that I have in the house. So I'm gonna add the little chunk, but you can actually use a quarter of those cilantro leaves if you want to. But I love adding flavors in my food, so I'm not shy with the cilantro leaves. All right, so now I'm going to grate my garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic today and a thumb of ginger. I just love the ginger flavor. If you don't like ginger, you don't have to use ginger, but I do love the flavor of ginger. All right, so we are going to add it to the bowl. Now we are going to grate the ginger, just a thumb size. So we add the ginger as well into our mixing bowl. So guys, we are going to zest the lemon. And make sure before you do this, make sure your lemon is completely washed. We need the acidic of the lemon to get into the chicken. It kind of gives it a kick flavor. So now our zest is ready. We're gonna add it as well into our mixing bowl. You can see all the flavors we are getting into the bowl. And I'm going to now juice the lemon. I'll be using 1 whole lemon for this recipe. Alright, so we're going to juice the lemon out. Alright, so we're now going to add the lemon juice inside. We're going to mix all our flavorful ingredients together. Remember, we have cilantro here, we have our garlic, our ginger, and now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we are going to add cayenne pepper and some chicken seasoning. So I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box. Don't forget to click to get the measurement and all the ingredients we use for this amazing, delicious, yummy cilantro lemon garlic chicken. All right, so we are going to add our salt, and we'll be using, and as well our black pepper. We'll be using half a teaspoon of black pepper. All right, so having mixed everything together, we are going to dump it into the chicken thighs. Oh, the flavor in this bowl is amazing. And I'm going to use my hands to mix this together. So now we are going to cover this to marinate for 30 minutes. If you have 1 hour, yes, you can go ahead and do that. So guys, our pot is hot enough, and I just greased my pot with a tablespoon of olive oil. So we're going to sear the chicken to lock in all the flavors, and you need to start from the back. Alright, so guys, this is 5 minutes into our chicken. It's been searing for 5 minutes now. And you can see the skin is already looking golden brown. To sear for another 3 minutes. This is one pot recipe, okay? So we're going to allow it for another 3 minutes before we get it into the oven to bake until done. Alright guys, you can see our chicken has seared so nicely. So we are going to get it in the oven to bake until it's cooked. To the oven, and it's going to bake until the inside is thoroughly cooked. Our chicken is well cooked. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous and very delicious. So I'm gonna plate this, and we thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like our video, give us some thumbs up and do share, please. Thank you guys.